Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's very special tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to customize the color of your mouse cursor, or some people call it pointer. Okay, so let's get started. First is you need to search for your settings. Just type settings here at the bottom search bar and then go to open. So the moment you click on open, you will be redirected to your settings. Okay? Here, you need to go to the left side of your screen and simply scroll down to locate accessibility. Okay? Click that, and then here it will shows a lot of options. It has this text size, visual effects, mouse pointer and touch, text cursor, and more. And since we'll be customizing the color as well as the size of our mouse cursor, then we will go to this. The moment you click that, you will be, you will see this mouse pointer style, different mouse pointer style. You can go with this white one, black one, inverted, and custom. Here you can custom your mouse cursor by simply clicking that, and it has this recommended colors. It goes with purple, lime, yellow, gold, pink, turquoise, and green. You can also choose another color and just simply click here and see what you prefer. And you can go with done. Okay? Here you can also maximize and minimize the size of your cursor. You can go with this one and it will go bigger like this, and go this one, it will go bigger. Okay? So depending on what you prefer. Okay? It has also this touch indicator, which is a very special feature. Well, if you mark this, make the circle dark and larger, if you mark this check, then you will make the circle darker and larger. So that's it. That's how you will customize your mouse cursor. If you think this video helps you, if yes, don't forget to subscribe and might as well click the like button as well as the bell one to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.